I never forget the first moment when I walked into a cinema. I was hooked from there on.
Achievements, adventures, funny stories, not so funny stories.
Only having a bit of fun, like, don't mean nothing by it.
I think someone is looking for her bedtime story.
When do you feel like
There comes a time in life when secrets should be told.
because time will not
Du Pellen dan give up your old sin.
I'm a good girl, sister.
we started.
We will march peacefully this Sunday, and march again.
I hope this Ireland we're fighting for is worth it.
You come here and you fill his head full of crazy dreams.
Time comes, you have to leave behind the old hellraiser, man. Take some responsibility for your life.
In the evening of life, we will be judged by love alone.
Did it ever occur to you there might be more than one alternative?
All the things that might have been, should have been.